Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sine 2x equals to 2 sine x cosine x cosine 3x, that is about 4 cosine x to the power of 3 minus 3 cosine x. Now I will put 2 sine x cosine x gone here. This one, that is about this one. Now I will put cosine x go outside. After we do factorization. Next, we need to simplify cosine x squared and sine x on numerator and denominator. So we have like this. Next, number 2 multiplied by number 4 and negative number 3. So we have number 8 cosine x squared minus number 6. So this one cosine x divided by cosine x. Now we just have only number 8 cosine x over sine x. Now we multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. So this one we need to transform into sine 2x. So this one we have number 12 cosecant of 2x. And now the integration of cosine x over sine x, that is about number 8 ln of the absolute value of sine x. The integration of this one, we have positive 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of cosecant of 2x plus cotangent 2x, and I will put about c. Now number 12 divided by number 2, we have number 6, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.